If you use Smart Notebook for your lessons, and for instance, you want to be able to copy an image, I can tap on that image, go into the little side menu, and then I can click clone. So that takes that image and copies it identically. Whether this is text or a shape, anything at all you tap on the screen, you're able to do this with. I'm now going to go into the same menu and just delete that. But let's say we were talking about buying this car. Then what I don't want to do is come into here and clone that £2 coin a lot of times. What I'd rather do is come into here and click infinite clone. Now what that does is it locks that coin down there and I can count them out. So I can count them out 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on until I've got all the coins I need. Really simple. So like I say, any image, anything you click on, just tap, you'll see this side menu has different options dependent on what you're clicking on. So give it a go next time you look.